tradition of Christmas markets dates back to 15th century and is showing no sign of slowing down. Today, the country is speckled with thousands of markets throughout December. For many people, Weihnachtsmarkts are more about the atmosphere than actual shopping. Locals go there to eat bratwurst, drink Glühwein, and soak up the Christmas spirit beneath decorated trees. Every historic center is covered with endless rows of fairy lights. They come in all sorts of shapes, like stars, hearts, or slides, especially in bigger cities like Dresden, Berlin, Stuttgart, and Hamburg. But if you are looking for a more relaxed atmosphere away from the big smoke, Herford is one among the cities. Also, Goslar im Harz, Münster, Heidelberg, and more. Aber da ich in der Nähe von Herford wohne, zeige ich euch die Stadt. Weihnachtsmarkt is always black and white in Germany, just like other countries here in Europe. Aber trotzdem kann man wenigstens den Geist der Weihnacht spüren, wenn man will. Genau wie im City der Stadt, you will find a huge decorated Christmas tree with colorful lighting, sparkling stalls, and candles. Surrounding the Christmas tree are blue and white stars. Ich habe nicht gezählt, wie viele blaue oder rote Sterne es wirklich gibt, weil die Zahlen daneben geschrieben sind. Das bedeutet, dass es 38 weibliche Babys und 30 männliche Babys gab, die im Jahr 2019 geboren wurden. There are also some special things that you really need to try as you walk around the city. Number 1. Don't miss to try drinking Glühwein or mulled wine. Otherwise, your Christmas in Germany is not complete. This is the most popular hot drink of Germans in the cold season that warms the body from the inside. They also have Eierpunsch, Apfelwein, and Hüttenzauber, my favorite and one of Herford's specialty. You really have to try this. It is made of Eier liquor, preserved cherries, cream, and cocoa. For sure you will order another once you have tasted it. And by the way, there is only one stall or booth in Herford that offers this drink. However, anything beyond has the opposite effect. Warm alcoholic drinks make you drunk faster, so I should recommend you a non-alcoholic mulled wine. Cacao mit Sahne, for example. This is very important, most especially to those who are driving a car. Remember, you have to be sober. Number 2. Immerse yourself in an incredible variety of sweet highlights treasures that makes life just nicer. Herford has one chocolate store, the Weinrich 1895. You can find this at the city center. They offer different varieties of chocolates, and every day there's an Angebot, just like these ones. These 20 pieces chocolates cost only 8 euro. It's already a big deal. Schnäppchen. So vorauf wartest du? Schnapp dir welche. Number 3. Try the food. You can hardly save yourself from eating as you walk around the city, and I dare you to try every delicacy you see and treat yourself to something. I assure you, you won't regret it. Bratwurst zum Beispiel, roasted almonds, gingerbread, delicately spiced biscuits. If you want healthier stuffs, you can also have chestnuts, fruit punch,
feast on a fresh waffle instead of lard. Hot ham that comes to just under half the calories of a bratwurst. And baked apple, a healthy alternative to the sugary apple of love.
And lastly,
Walk around, because walking to the Weihnachtsmarkt reduces the calorie count. It does not go through as a fitness program, but consumes at least about 200 calories per hour. The colder it is, the more or the better. Walking home also accounts and gets fresh winter air. Okay, that's all, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video.